Today, I'm reviewing Telesign, a platform designed for businesses that need secure communication and user authentication tools. When you first land on the Telesign homepage, you're greeted by a professional and streamlined interface. The primary focus is on their suite of APIs, particularly for SMS verification, phone number intelligence, and fraud prevention. The site positions itself as an enterprise-level solution, but they also cater to small and medium-sized businesses needing scalable tools. Navigating through the dashboard, it becomes clear that Telesign has prioritized simplicity and usability. Once signed in, the user interface is clean and efficient. You can quickly access key features like the SMS Verify API, Phone ID, and App Verify. Telesign also provides integration options and sample code snippets to help developers set things up faster. These are useful for both first-time API users and experienced back-end developers. One of the core features is the SMS Verify API. It lets you send one-time passwords to users' phones. The delivery speed is solid and supports global messaging, which is a big plus for apps with an international user base. That said, delivery rates in some regions can vary slightly based on telecom infrastructure, and this may affect consistency in certain countries. Another key component is the Phone ID service, which allows you to validate phone numbers and assess the risk level before sending SMS messages or allowing registrations. This is great for fraud prevention. However, the granularity of risk data might not match that of some advanced competitors in the cybersecurity space. Still, for most use cases, it does the job well. The documentation is thorough and fairly easy to follow, but it leans slightly toward users with a developer background. Non-technical users may find some of the API terminology a bit dense, especially when it comes to customizing integrations or interpreting response codes. Many useful links you can find in the description. Pricing on Telesign isn't fully transparent on the website, which is a downside. You typically have to request a quote, which can be frustrating if you're just researching different providers. Some competitors offer public pricing tiers, making comparisons much easier. However, Telesign is known for flexible pricing models based on usage, which may benefit companies operating at scale. Customer support is a mixed experience. While there is a decent knowledge base in email support, live chat is limited and response times may vary. This could be a deal breaker for teams that need immediate assistance during integration or when facing service disruptions. Overall, Telesign is a reliable option for SMS verification and fraud detection, especially if you have a tech-savvy team. It's not the most beginner-friendly platform, but the features and scalability are there. For developers and growing businesses looking for a secure, programmable communication layer, it's worth considering. But make sure to ask the right questions during the sales process. If you found this review helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more honest reviews and tech walkthroughs.